Our $1,500 price target for Tesla, it's a little over $200 now, but our $1,500 price target in 5 years is 2/3 because of autonomous.
Today, we're talking about Tesla stock and the current state that it's in. Now, Tesla has been on a hot topic in the investing world for years now, but recently it's been making headlines for a completely different reason. The stock has been on a roller coaster ride, and as you can see from this graph, Tesla stock has been up and down like a yo-yo recently. It's been enough to make any investor's head spin. But fear not, my friends, because there's a silver lining to this volatility. First, let's talk about why Tesla stock has been so volatile. Now, there are a few factors at play here. Firstly, inflation is on the rise, which is affecting the entire stock market. And when inflation is high, many people tend to be more cautious because it means their money is worth less. And this can also lead to selling off stocks, which can cause prices to drop. But on the other hand, there's also deflation on the horizon, which can be good news for Tesla stock. Now, deflation is when prices of goods and services decrease, making your money worth more. This can lead to increased consumer spending, which can lead to more profits for companies like Tesla. But what does all of this mean for us as investors? Well, it means we need to be strategic and patient with our investments. Now, during times of market volatility, it's important to remember the age-old investing mantra: buy low and sell high. When the market is down, it means stocks are on sale. So it's actually a good time to buy, but we need to be strategic about what we buy. And when it comes to Tesla, we need to consider a few things. Firstly, the company has a strong brand and a loyal following. Secondly, the electric vehicle industry is growing rapidly, and Tesla is a major player in this space. Lastly, the company has a strong leadership team led by none other than Elon Musk. That being said, Tesla is not immune to risks. The company has faced production delays, regulatory hurdles, and stiff competition from other companies. So we need to be aware of these risks and do our due diligence before investing in Tesla. Another thing to keep in mind is diversification. So to sum it up, the current state of Tesla's stock is very volatile, but there are opportunities for everyone who is patient and strategic. We need to consider the company's strong brand, the growing electric vehicle market, and the leadership team led by Elon Musk. We also need to be aware of the risks and diversify our portfolio. Now, before we go over the catalyst that could take Tesla stock to $1,500 per share, we have to go over the sponsor of the video, and that's Moomoo. Now, Moomoo is giving away 17 free stocks to anyone that opens an account. You can open an account and deposit $100 and get 2 free shares of either AI or BBAI, and up to 5 more free stocks if you deposit $1,000, as you're gonna get the chance to receive up to 17 free stocks. So be sure to click my link below for more information on how to redeem your stocks. And the great thing about their app is that ever since ChatGPT has been the topic of discussion, many investors are trying to look for the next stock in the AI industry. Well, Moomoo's ChatGPT concept will help you out a lot. Just text ChatGPT in the search box and you can see the performance of ChatGPT stocks and the stocks related to ChatGPT. And you can also go to the specific stock profile page and you can also check the analyst rating. You can also see the assessments and the target price prediction from many analysts out there. So with that being said, let's get back to the video. Now, as a Tesla investor, how much do you think Tesla stock will be worth at the end of this year, 5 years from now, or 10 years? Well, Tesla stock is currently trading below its valuation, and while this may seem like a huge problem, there are several reasons to stay bullish on Tesla. Because according to ARK Invest, Tesla shares can go up to as high as $1,500 over the next 3 to 5 years. Now, this price target was just recently announced by ARK Invest, and this price target was split adjusted. Now, this price target is also mainly due to the fact that Tesla is way ahead of the competition, because according to Tesha Keeney from ARK Invest, Tesla has over 1 billion miles driven in its full self-driving beta, and they also have a massive storage of data, more than any of its competitors.
I'm excited to hear more about the autonomous vehicle. They had said that they would mass produce a purpose-built autonomous car in 2024. We think that this could totally change Tesla's business model. You know, our price target for 2026 split adjusted is around $1,500 per share. I think over 60% of Tesla's enterprise value, could be attributable to that autonomous ride-hail platform. I think it'll have attractive software-like margins. It'll become a recurring revenue stream as opposed to, one-off vehicle sales that we see today. It's going to totally change the game, and they're way ahead. I mean, we see that they have nearly 1 billion miles driven in full self-driving beta. They have millions of cars on the road collecting data. That's much
Right.
more than competitor.
Not only that, but Tesla's full self-driving program user base has grown by 475% year over year and 78% since the third quarter of 2022. So what does this mean for Tesla? Well, Tesla's FSD beta fleet has grown steadily in Q3 2022 when they reached 160,000 users in North America, and considering that Tesla's FSD beta fleet has grown to 285,000 cars, and with this approach, every human interaction with Tesla vehicles, including wheel turning, generates a data plate that is analyzed and used to improve or create new algorithms which are sent back to the vehicle over the air updates. This means that Tesla owners are not just driving a car to commute to work or run errands, they are actually training the Tesla AI as they go, and this is a big deal for a car company like Tesla. Now, the price target of $1,500 per share will not be achieved just because of their full self-driving alone, but it will also be achieved due to the increase in demand. You see, Tesla is still on track to meet its 50% annual growth rate because of the expected growth in electric vehicles. And as the adoption of electric vehicles is rising due to the increase in need for reducing dependence on oil. Now, a report from Emerging Research stated that low emission levels of electric vehicles is driving its adoption, and this factor is expected to boost market revenue growth. And in the future, electric vehicles will produce lower levels of greenhouse gases and air pollutants that other petrol and diesel powered vehicles rely highly on. Now, as of this very moment, Tesla makes up 10% of the ARK fund, and ARK Invest did nothing but buy Tesla stock all of last quarter in 2022 and also the beginning of 2023. Why? Well, Tesla is expected to see massive growth in sales in the coming quarters, and in January alone, Elon Musk said that Tesla had seen the strongest orders year to date than ever in the history of Tesla. But do I think that we are gonna see Tesla stock trading at $1,500 per share within the next 5 years? Well, keep in mind that it's very hard to predict the future. No one really knows what is going to happen. But what I can tell you is that Tesla has one of the strongest fundamentals out there out of any company, and they continue to deliver no matter if we go through a recession or a war breaks out. We also have the future of AI with Tesla as they start to bring the Tesla bot to reality and what it could do for the overall economy. Now remember that Elon has previously mentioned that Optimus could solve the labor shortage and shape the economy to reduce labor costs. Tesla also plans to leverage its expertise in power electronics and AI to build the bot. And the purpose of the robot will be to eliminate dangerous and boring tasks, serve as a backup worker, and help the overall humanity. You see, right now, there are many tasks out there in the world that can affect a human's well-being. This includes dangerous workplaces where chemicals can be found that are harmful to the human body. This could also help fill jobs that many humans do not want to do. And with that in mind, I want you guys to let me know your Tesla stock price prediction for the end of 2023 and for the next 5 years. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and do not forget to grab your 17 free stocks from Moomoo using the link down in the comments and description down below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.